Hey everyone, and welcome! If you're on the journey to becoming a teacher in India, you've probably heard about the CTET, the Central Teacher Eligibility Test. It's a big step on your path to teaching in government schools. Today, I'm here to share some killer strategies to help you master this exam. Let's dive right in. First things first, understand the CTET structure. The exam is split into two papers. Paper 1 for those who want to teach classes I to V, and Paper 2 for classes 6 to 8. Knowing which paper to focus on, based on the class you intend to teach, is crucial. Now, onto the preparation tips. Number 1. Get familiar with the syllabus. The CTET covers a broad range of topics from child development and pedagogy to subject-specific areas like mathematics, science, and social studies. Break down the syllabus into manageable sections and tackle them one at a time. Next, let's talk about practice. Practice papers are your best friend here. They not only familiarize you with the format of the questions, but also help you time your responses effectively during the actual exam. You can find a plethora of practice resources online or in educational bookstores. Another key strategy is to join study groups or forums. Engaging with fellow CTET aspirants can provide moral support, share knowledge, and offer new perspectives on difficult topics. Sometimes, explaining a concept to someone else is the best way to solidify your own understanding. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good study schedule. Consistency is key in long-term retention of information. Plan your study periods and, more importantly, stick to them. Also, include short breaks to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. Remember, passing the CTET isn't just about hard work, it's about smart work. Using these strategies, you can approach your preparation with confidence and clarity. You've got this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips on your journey to becoming a teacher. Study smart, and see you in the classroom.